Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add shop button on Instagram. Open your Instagram app. Then here we can see our profile icon at the bottom right corner. So tap on it. In this case, we must have professional business Instagram account. To do it, simply tap on these three lines here and select settings. Then select account. So here we can turn our personal Instagram account into a professional one. Follow these easy steps to turn your account into a professional business Instagram account. Then again go to your profile. Here we can see edit profile button. So tap on it. Scroll down and select action buttons. Here we can add a button to our profile. Here we can select a partner. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.